Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We have been doing our letter sound chart on the computer, on the iPad, and now Mrs. Hensley just got cards in, so we're going to alternate that. Sometimes we'll do it on the computer, on the iPad, and I'll assign it to you that way, or sometimes you'll get the video that has the cards, okay? So Mrs. Hensley is going to show you, what is this? A, apple, ah, okay? B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, e. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. I hope you're saying these with me. L, lamp, ul. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. That's the ending sound, k. And these aren't in the same order, are they? CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, WH, whistle, w. And the end. I hope you guys enjoyed doing that. If you want to go back and watch my video again to do the cards with Mrs. Hensley, you are welcome to do that. You can also get out your sound card alphabet from your yellow paper from your fish folder and practice those as well. Don't take it out of the plastic sleeve though, okay? You guys have an awesome day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.